Hi, I'm Josh Willis with Raise This. Today I'm joined with Matthew from ABRA.
Hello everyone.
We've been going over a bunch of stuff. Today we're going over how to change your mushroom valve and O-ring. This is something that has to be done periodically. Not a fun chore to do, but it's something we have to do nonetheless. And today we're going to show you how to do that. Let's get after it. So today we're going to show you how to remove and replace your mushroom valve. First, you're going to start by gaining access by the access port on the side of your pot. This nut is going to be a little bit tight, so it might take a little bit to get it loose. Once you break it free, then you can remove it all the way. Once you remove the nut, you can then keep a firm grasp on the stud, push it in, turn it to the side, and this will allow you to remove that from the machine. Set that aside. Now that we have access to the inside of the tank, we can now remove the mushroom valve and put the new one on. Once you have access, use a pipe wrench to loosen the pipe that's in the center of the machine. Once it's loose, you can remove the pipe wrench, reach in, and unscrew the mushroom valve. Once you unscrew it, you can remove it, at which point you're going to remove the old mushroom valve, place the new one on, and reinstall. You need to make sure the pipe is at a complete 90-degree angle before screwing it all the way down. Having it at any other angle will result in a non-seal to your tank. Once you have it in, screw it all the way down to make sure it's tight, and then do a final tightening with the pipe wrench and make sure the mushroom valve can travel up and down properly. To replace your O-ring, you need to remove the mushroom valve like we just did, and then you're going to use a flathead screwdriver to pry up on the existing O-ring and remove it. If you cannot remove it from the top, or from the bottom, you may have to go in from the top and push it down. Make sure if you break off any little pieces, you get them out of the pressure pot before you seal it back up. Once it's removed, then reinstall the new O-ring, making sure it's nice and tight and has a snug fit. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped. Hopefully the machine's up and running. If for whatever reason it hasn't solved your problem, please reach out to me or Matthew or any of our tech support people. And we're happy to walk you through it and get this thing resolved and get your machine up and running. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.